In the evolving landscape of modern woodworking, a deeper alignment between craftsmanship and sustainability is no longer a niche concept. It's becoming the new standard. And at the center of this transformation is the underappreciated yet abundantly available resource, scrap wood. For the contemporary woodworker looking not only to honor the integrity of their craft, but also to earn money fast in a saturated market, embracing scrap wood projects offers a rare combination of artistry, ethics, and entrepreneurial efficiency. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. Whether you're into handcrafted furniture or cozy aesthetics, we're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of wooden scrap wood projects ideas to make money fast as a woodworker. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Craftsmanship, at its core, has always been about respect. Respect for the material, the process, and the purpose of the object being created. In an age of mass production and disposable goods, true craftsmanship stands in quiet defiance. It whispers of intention, patience, and care. But craftsmanship does not, and should not, mean expensive tools, rare exotic woods, or sprawling workshops. In fact, some of the most profound examples of woodcraft emerge from constraint, from the challenge of using what others deem useless. Scrap wood, by its very nature, represents the overlooked. It is the cast-off, the edge-cut, the irregular offcut, or the abandoned pallet. Yet within each uneven board and discarded plank lies immense potential. When a skilled woodworker looks at a pile of scrap, they do not see waste, they see possibility. A collection of small hardwood remnants can become elegant serving trays. A stack of rough pine strips can become rustic wall decor. And with the right finish and thoughtful design, these projects can carry not just aesthetic value, but also emotional and environmental meaning. This is where sustainability becomes more than just a buzzword. In this deeper alignment, sustainability becomes an active philosophy within the craft. Instead of cutting down more trees or importing rare woods, the woodworker turns to what already exists, what is already available. And by doing so, they contribute to a circular economy, minimizing waste, maximizing material usage, and extending the life of natural resources that are often taken for granted. Each creation becomes a quiet rebellion against a throwaway culture and a tribute to the full life cycle of wood. And yet, this alignment is not just philosophical. It is deeply practical and profitable. One of the most immediate advantages of working with scrap wood is the low cost of materials. Often, woodworkers can source scrap for free from lumberyards, construction sites, furniture factories, or even Craigslist giveaways. In many cases, people are eager to get rid of scrap material simply because they see no use for it. But where others see clutter, a trained eye sees inventory. And that zero-cost input dramatically shifts the economic equation for a woodworker looking to make money fast. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We hope this video brought you both calm and creativity. We believe in the beauty of well-made spaces and handcrafted pieces. Subscribe for more faceless inspiration and join us on a journey of thoughtful design and woodworking. Scrap wood projects are typically small-scale and quick to produce. Whether it's handcrafted coasters, candle holders, picture frames, tablet stands, or wall-mounted key racks, these projects can be turned around in hours instead of days. This speed to market enables volume, and in today's handmade economy, that volume matters. Online platforms like Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, and local craft fairs thrive on accessible, affordable, beautifully made items with a story behind them. And what better story is there than transforming throwaway wood into something worth treasuring? But even more than speed and margin, it's the uniqueness that sells. Each scrap wood piece carries with it a fingerprint, a distinct texture, grain variation, or imperfection that gives the final product soul. A knot in the wood becomes the centerpiece of a table centerpiece. A warped edge inspires a new silhouette. The randomness of scrap encourages creativity that clean, uniform boards simply don't. In this way, the woodworker becomes not just a builder, but a storyteller, inviting customers to see the beauty in imperfection and the value in reimagining what once was. Moreover, in an era where buyers are increasingly conscious of where their products come from and how they're made, sustainable woodworking offers a competitive edge. A simple phrase like "crafted from 100% reclaimed wood" can resonate deeply with eco-aware consumers, often translating to faster sales and premium pricing. People don't just want objects anymore, they want meaning. They want to buy into values that reflect their own. When you align your craft with sustainability, you offer not only a product, but also a mission. And people are willing to pay more to be part of that. This intersection of ethical making and fast earning doesn't require sacrificing quality either. Quite the opposite. It demands more from the woodworker, more vision, more adaptability, more respect for the material. But that demand cultivates growth. Each scrap-based project becomes a new challenge. How to work within limits, how to maximize character, how to honor the material's history while giving it a new chapter. It is woodworking at its most inventive and intimate. And there's a deeper satisfaction too, beyond money, beyond marketability. It is the feeling of creating something real out of what was forgotten. A drawer made from pallet slats. A bench built from reclaimed fence boards. A coat rack from old barnwood. These pieces don't just function, they carry a story, a spirit. And that spirit touches both maker and buyer in quiet, enduring ways. So the woodworker who chooses scrap wood as their medium is doing more than being frugal or fast. They're participating in a larger movement, one that honors the craft, conserves the resource, and connects people to things that matter. They are proving that good design doesn't require excess. That beauty doesn't come from perfection, but from character. That profit and principle can exist in the same grain. In the end, the alignment of craftsmanship and sustainability through scrap wood isn't just a clever way to make money. It's a way of working and living that elevates the ordinary into the extraordinary. It allows the woodworker to move through their world not just as a maker, but as a reclaimer, a steward, a storyteller. And in doing so, they shape not only wood, but also a more conscious, creative, and connected way of doing business. That's the future. And it's already here, waiting in the scrap pile. Well, dear viewers, thanks for watching Decor Ideas. If you're ready to transform your space or start your next build, stick with us. Subscribe for more design-focused woodworking inspiration delivered in calm, faceless style. We'll see you again with more beauty in every frame. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.